Welcome to English class with me. Today's topic is rules of using articles with examples, lecture 4. Now I am going to show you the rules of using indefinite article a and n. Rule 1. A common noun in the singular number always requires an article before it, but a plural common noun does not require an article always. A plural common noun can have the article the if we want to particularize that noun. Example: I saw a snake refers to a random snake. I saw snakes in a zoo. No article is required. I have seen the snake again refers to the snake I have already seen earlier. I have seen the snakes again before leaving the zoo refers to the particular snakes of the zoo which I saw earlier. Rule 2. The choice between the two indefinite articles a and n is determined by sound. Words beginning with consonant sounds precede a, and words beginning with vowel sounds precede n. There are some special cases also. For instance, a university, a union, a useful book, etc. A $1 note, a one-man army, etc. An MA, a BA, an LLB, a BSc, etc. Here you must remember that when you pronounced you must use a in spite of being vowel. When o pronounced wa, you must use a. When any abbreviation, when you pronounced the letter separately, the beginning letter is a must here to consider the article. Here when you pronounced m, at first the vowel sound a comes. So here will be n. But in case of BA, no vowel sound. So it will be a. LLB, vowel sound a. So it will be n. In case of BSc, vowel sound, no vowel sound. So it will be a. Rule 3. A or n sometimes makes a proper noun, a common noun. Proper nouns generally do not take any articles, but when a proper noun needs to be used as a common noun, you must bring a or n for it. Example: he thinks he is a Shakespeare. Here, Shakespeare does not refer to the actual person but someone like him. Rule 4. Sometimes indefinite articles are used to refer the number one each per. Example: I earned $1,000 in that job. $1,000. I have a car, one car. It goes 50 miles an hour per hour. Rule 5. Indefinite articles often precede descriptive adjectives. Example, he is a good boy. Here, good is the descriptive adjectives. And you have to consider this word to use article. Another example, what a nice car. Nice is also a descriptive adjective. So you have to consider nice beginning letter N consonant. So you have to use a, not car. Rule 6. A sometimes comes before determiners. For example, a few, a little, a lot of, a most, etc. But in the case of many, a or n comes after. Example, I have a few friends coming over. There is a little milk in the jar. Many a fan welcomed. Using definite article, the rule 1. The is used to indicate a particular person or persons or thing or things. In the case of common nouns, proper nouns generally do not take an article. The man is running, a particular man. I saw the boy stealing. The boy here is particular. Where is the pen I gave you last year? Here pen is particular. I gave him a ball, but he lost the ball. Here this ball is not particular, but second time it has become particular ball. A ball became the ball in the second clause because that ball was not a random ball anymore. Rule 2. Sometimes the is used to generalize a group or whole class. Example, the dog is a faithful animal. Refers to the whole species of dog. The English are industrious. Refers to the people of England as a nation. The honest are respected. The adjectives equal to plural noun. Here the plus honest acts as a plural noun. The poor are not always dishonest. The plus adjectives equal to plural noun. Rule 3. To particularize a non-count noun, the is required before it. Example, the water of the Arctic Ocean is freezing. Usually, water does not take any article because water is material noun. But here, water has been particularized. For this reason, the has been used. Please return the money I lent you last year. Usually, money is an uncountable noun. For this reason, money does not take any article. But here, money has been particularized. For this reason, the has been used before money. Rule 4. The is mandatory before a thing which is only one of a kind in the universe. Example, the moon is shining tonight. The earth is moving around the sun. Here, moon, earth, sun are the only one things in the universe. Moon is the only one thing, earth is the only one thing, and similarly the sun is the only one thing. For only one thing in the universe, it is mandatory to use the. Use of the before geographical places. Rule 5. Using the with geographical nouns generally depends on the size and plurality of the things those nouns refers to. The is generally used everywhere except some cases. So it's better to know those exceptions first. You must not use the before these words. You must not use the before the names of continents. as for example Asia, Europe, etc. You must not use the before the names of countries, as for example Australia, Bolivia, Bangladesh, etc. You must not use the before the names of states, cities or towns, as for example Los Angeles, Alaska, etc. You must not use the before the names of streets, as for example George Street. Names of singular lakes and bays, Lake Erie, Lake Eyre, etc. You must not use the before the names of singular mountains, Mount Everest, Mount Solitary, etc. You must not use the before the names of single islands, for example Easter Island, Bear Island, etc. You must not use the before the names of languages, for example Bangla, Spanish, etc. Another important thing is when the precedes these nouns, they refer to the population of those languages. You must mind it. You must not use the before the names of sports, cricket, football, basketball, etc. You must not use the before the names of discipline, that is subject of studies, for example biology, history, computer science, mathematics, etc. Note, the is a widely used article in English except for the list mentioned above and proper nouns. The is used before almost all the nouns, which means something definite, particular. The above list has some opposite factors also. Those factors are explained in the following list. It is mandatory to use the here. You must use the before the names of oceans, gulfs, seas and rivers, the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Buriganga, etc. You must use the before the names of countries with United States or islands, as for example the United States of America, the UK, the Philippines, etc. You must use the before the names of a Great Lakes, the African Great Lakes, etc. You must use the before the names of mountain ranges, as for example the Himalayas, the Alps, the Andes, etc. You must keep in mind that when mountain ranges, that is a lot of mountains, is named, single named, as for example the Himalayas consists of a lot of mountains. It is mandatory to use the, but when single mountain, name of the single mountain, you must not use the. You must use the before the names of a group or islands, as for example the West Indies, the Andamans, etc. Thanks a lot for giving attention to my class.